you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today, oops, just dropped something already. But today I'm opening up my Sips By box for July 2019, and I'm really excited. I could use a little afternoon pick-me-up. So if you do not know what Sips By is, it is a monthly tea subscription, and you get such good teas in here. I will leave the link and the pricing information, all of that down below. I also have a code for you to save some money, so if you're interested, definitely check that out and save. So yeah, so today I'm going to unbox it, and then I am going to pause the camera, go downstairs, and brew some tea and bring it up and do a little taste test. If you're interested, I'll let you know. So I'll see what one seems the most appealing in here. Definitely going to be one with caffeine, I'm assuming. And then, yeah, try it out. So Sips By is super personalized. When you sign up, you take a quiz and you let them know everything, like what types of teas you like, and they give you like a bunch of different questions. It's super easy to do, like yes or no, or maybe pretty much. I think those are the options, like different flavorings and all of that. I said I prefer more caffeinated teas. Sometimes I'll get like one in that's like not, which is fine, because I'm open to trying those as well at night. At night sometimes it's really nice to have, you know, a cup of tea, and you don't want caffeine at night. So the box is adorable. Let's see what my personalized teas are this month. I believe the cost is $15 per month, and that my code is $5 off, just so you know. I know I didn't say that earlier because I wasn't positive, but all of that information will be linked down below. Here's what it looks like. How cute. So July teas, and then on the back it says made for kitty, and it says, with summer here, many of us are jet setting or road tripping, and we're wondering where you enjoy your tea. Do you love a cup of hot tea by a campfire? Are you sipping iced tea on a beach? Let your Sips By box tag along on your next trip. For a chance to win a free month, use hashtag Sips By box and tag Sips By in your caption to enter. XOXO the Sips By team. And then it talks about the 4 teas I get. So each month you get 4 different teas and about 4 bags each. So I will leave this here on the side to reference, and it's super great. They also offer discount codes to save on any of these teas. If you like really love something, you can go on their website and save like 20%, like 15 to 20% depending on the tea. So that is great. So this is an awesome way to discover new teas and then purchase them for less than you would at other retailers. So let's see what's first. These look different, so I want to grab this. This is citrus ginger tea drops, and this is a caffeine-free one. I've never used a tea drop before. I wonder if it's like those blossom ones, but there's 4 of them total of this kind, so let's learn more about it. On here it says it's USDA organic. It says, ditch your tea bag for your perfect cup, pour, drop, enjoy. This is true loose leaf tea. Some sediments will be at the bottom of your cup. Drink it up. So citrus ginger Sips By tea drops. It says use 1 drop per 8 to 12 ounces of water. And it's made with organic raw cane sugar, organic dried orange peel, organic dried ginger, organic dried spearmint, organic orange extract, and organic lemon extract. Again, it is caffeine free, and it says it's a bright and refreshing blend of orange, lemon, and crushed ginger. This caffeine free tea soothes and awakens at the same time. You're just a drop away from your perfect cup, and there is a 15% off code. Whenever I mention codes or anything, just leave a comment down below and I will share them with you guys. So next up, let's see what we got here. It looks like we have some teas by Ahmad Tea London. This is English afternoon black tea. I like black teas because they tend to have the most caffeine. So let's find this on here. So it says use 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, steep 5 minutes. It's black tea with a slight touch of bergamot. It says it has high caffeine. Right, that's what I want. Ahmad Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. And they give a 20% off plus free shipping code. Awesome. And again, there are 4 of these. Ooh, this looks interesting. What's this? These are like some bigger packets. I think there's 4 of these as well. Rishi Guausa Keiko, or cacao, I don't know. I was told how to say that right once, but I don't remember. So this is energizing Amazonian guayusa, which I'm probably saying wrong, with sumptuous coconut. Organic herbal tea, USDA organic. And this says high caffeine. It says discover new teas and join us on our botanical journey to leave no leaf unturned. Wow. So it's a unique reishi blend. This is intriguing to me. So this is by Reishi, like I just said. 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water, steep 5 minutes. It is made with guayusa, probably saying it wrong, I'm sorry, cocoa shells, roasted coconut, cocoa nibs, natural coconut, and passion fruit flavors, all organic. High caffeine, and it says guayusa has long been consumed by indigenous people of the Amazon for sustained energy. The spirited blends help kickstart the day or power through long work sessions, and there's a 15% off code. I'm thinking I'm going to try this today because I've never tried anything like it, and it's cute packaging and it has high caffeine. Let's see, so we have one more tea left. And this one I think there's only 3 of. Sometimes they do that with more expensive ones, I think. So, ooh, this sounds good too. This is by Vadym Teas, Earl Grey Spiced Chai Tea. I love chai teas. So here's the packaging, love the colors. It's hand-picked and packed in India with love, care, and passion. And 1% of the revenue is directed towards the education of our tea growers' children. That's amazing. So Earl Grey Spiced Sips by Venom Teas, 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water, steep 3 to 5 minutes. It's made with Assam black tea, bergamot extract, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, and black pepper. Again, this is high caffeine, so like, see, they like are catering to me. I have 3 high caffeine ones and 1 without caffeine, so good mix. It says, Venom Teas expert in-house blenders bring us a unique rendition of the traditional Indian masala chai blended with the delectable citrus notes of bergamot. And there's a 20% off code. So they all sound really good. But since what time is it? It's like 11:23. I want to have caffeine, I think. Gosh, it's pretty early. So yeah, I've had 2 cups of coffee already today. I've been up for a while. I got up at 6 today. So I'm thinking I'm going to go with the reishi. So I will obviously let you guys know when I come back. But it looks like there's some paperwork on the bottom. Let me grab these to see. So there's some promotion for the tea drops, and there it says if you get 15% off your first order, like we already knew about. And then there's some information about Ahmad teas. So just like some advertising. You can also learn more about the company, so that is nice. And that is everything. This box is so cute. There's like little tea leaves and hearts. So I'm gonna go make some tea and I'll come back and share my thoughts with you. So I did end up making the reishi one, the words I can't say, and it tastes so good. Okay, I'm using this like super adorable cup that I received in the kindness box. If you guys missed that video, I will link it down below. And I'm setting it on this cute little thing for mugs that I just got in my unplugged book box. So I don't know what order I'm putting videos up, but if I post that sooner than this video, I will link that down below as well. I'm filming a few videos today, so this will help. This tastes so good. I took a sip on the way upstairs. Like, tastes like dessert almost. It tastes so good. So this is a smaller mug than 8 ounces for sure. So I'll probably just pour some more hot water over the same tea bag when I'm done, but this tastes great. It definitely tastes like coconut, which is awesome because I love coconut, like a little bit like chocolate coconut. Like, this might be like my favorite tea. I'm so glad I went with this one. Yum. So yeah, I just wanted to update you on this tea. If you guys have any questions or like want to know my opinions on any of the other teas, leave a comment down below. And also let me know what's your favorite tea, because I'm starting to really love teas. Like, this is so good. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. But anyways, I hope you guys are all enjoying your day and are having a good one. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye!